All right, so snail mail challenge. Israel sent me a challenge, two options. One was to go bike to ski. The second option is to go trail running 8 miles. I'm not in super great running shape right now, so I don't necessarily want to do that one. I have been biking, so I feel like I could handle it, but the problem is there's no snow out here. It's just pretty bare. Usually I can get up and down back here and yeah, get a decent run in and do it a couple times and it works and I can bike to it, but a little hard with no snow. So I need to come up with plan B or find some snow somewhere. All right, I'm at Bear Butte, so this is gonna be plan B. Clean's gonna start with me for the first part. We're going to hike up Bear Butte. The trail is about 3.5 miles. Was to trail run 8 miles, so this will be my first bit, and then once I'm to the summit, then I'll run out into the plains to the trailhead over yonder somewhere where Clean will meet me. She is not in condition to run right now. Number one, because she's pregnant, and number two, she forgot to bring good hiking shoes, so she may or may not finish this. We'll see, but we'll still have fun while doing it. So here goes the challenge. Prayer flags from the Native Americans because Bear Butte is a very sacred site. Now I am heading back down. Alright, made it down from up top from Bear Butte. Now to run, not sure exactly how far, but somewhere over there. So I'm thinking it's like anywhere from 3 to 5 miles, which I'm right at 4, so this should put me really close to what I need. You know you're on the right trail. You see 89 there. Are feeling it a little bit, that's for sure. Haven't ran this far in a long time. 7 miles in, that was a 7:57 mile. think that's probably my fastest so far. Covering ground, that's the main thing. Time for a little snap. Mile number 10. It was about an 8:20 mile. My knee is starting to hurt. Really thirsty. Need some food. Yeah, I think my legs are done. 10.5 miles. The finish line is right up here. Trailhead finish line where Queen is waiting for me. Challenge accomplished. Be ready for your challenges. Return service requested. Should get it in 3 to 5 days. Woo woo!